Welcome to the Hungarian garden, and today we're diving into the amazing world of lavender, a beautiful and fragrant addition to any garden. Lavender, known scientifically as Lavandula angustifolia, is a hardy perennial, native to the Mediterranean region. This plant is celebrated for its striking purple flowers and delightful scent. Lavender typically blooms from late spring to early summer, and is known for attracting bees and other beneficial pollinators to your garden. Let's discuss plant care. Taking care of lavender is relatively straightforward, making it a favorite among both novice and experienced gardeners. Here's how to ensure your lavender thrives. Let's discuss growing conditions. Lavender loves the sun, so make sure to plant it in a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. It prefers well-draining soil, as it does not do well in wet, soggy conditions. Lavender is best suited for USDA hardiness zones 5 through 9, so check your zone before planting. Watering advice. Lavender is quite drought tolerant once established, so be careful not to overwater. Water newly planted lavender regularly until it is established. Then reduce the frequency. During the growing season, water the plant when the soil feels dry to the touch, but avoid letting it sit in waterlogged conditions. Pests and diseases. Lavender is relatively pest-free, but it can occasionally be troubled by aphids, spider mites, or root rot, if the soil is too wet. Regularly check for signs of pests and ensure good air circulation around the plant to prevent fungal diseases. Warnings. Before bringing lavender into your garden, be aware that while it's generally safe, some people may experience allergic reactions to its strong fragrance. Additionally, lavender can be toxic to pets if ingested in large amounts, so keep it out of the reach of curious animals. Remember to consult local gardening resources or experts for specific care instructions tailored to your region. And now for the fun fact. Did you know that lavender was first documented by the Roman naturalist Pliny the Elder in 77 AD? He noted its use for medicinal purposes and its cultivation around the Mediterranean. Its long history is a testament to its enduring appeal. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for joining us at the Hungarian Garden. We hope this guide helps you grow beautiful and healthy lavender plants. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gardening tips and plant care advice. And until next time, viszont látásra!